Looking at SPX on the monthly chart, our monthly candle's looking pretty bearish right here. It's definitely not looking great. So let's see what this next couple weeks give us. But so far that's looking pretty gravestone-like. Hopefully we get a little bit of a push higher and get out of this downtrend. But let's see if we can get that Santa rally or not. Looking here, we've got a couple months where we tested this trend line. That couple months established the trend line, right? So now we're looking at our monthly candle here. We can pull all the way back to 67.24. That's going to be the area I'd like to see us hold in order to hold this uptrend here. If we break below 67.24, then we can definitely see some more downside. We do have a wick from last month, so let's just see what happens if this stays bearish or if we get a push higher for a nice Santa rally to end the year. It is OPEX this coming week, so please be mindful of that. Size down. When we're looking at our weekly candles, this is inside the previous week. We held inside the exact same range. We poked out just for a tiny second there at the top, but really we're holding a 100-point range moving sideways. Anytime we're moving sideways, it can cause a lot more chop, be a little bit more difficult to get some direction. So inside week is not ideal. Moving into next week, I would like to see us break out of this range for more direction. If we stay in, we can obviously stay pretty choppy. So when you look at the daily chart, we've been talking about these for quite some time, just how many days we have stayed inside. It is this large range, it's 100 points, so we definitely can still get some moves, which you can see we've had some moves just here and there, but we also get a lot of these tight little tiny candles with indirection. Or indecision, no direction. So moving into next week, I'd like to see us break outside of this range. Again, we have a big range to move through, but this range has helped us stay consistently choppy the last couple weeks. So looking up, we've got our all-time high around that 69.21 area. So I'd like to see us clear this 6,900. But Friday we had a really significant drop. If we get below that 5,800, then we're looking at about 67.92 and then 67.84, and that gets us out of this candle's range and heading on down a little bit further. Now we do have significant levels of support, as you can see right through here. It's another strong area with some chop. Again, another area here. So if we do drop lower, any of these areas right through here could cause us to bounce. So let's just trade level to level. Let's see if this little bounce here gets us some more momentum and we head back up to test in this area. Again, it is OPEX, so be mindful of that this week. And let's see if we can get outside of this crazy range.